popping, my LillyPops? For those that are new, I share inexpensive DIYs on my channel to both grow and sustain healthy natural hair. And today we're touching on all things honey. You guys have probably noticed, or maybe you haven't, that some of the most loved hair care brands within the natural hair care space have started incorporating honey into their products. Brands such as Camille Rose, TGIN, Shea Moisture, Main Choice, Mayel Organics, and the list goes on, have definitely started putting honey into a full product line. And personally on this channel, I incorporate honey into the majority of my DIYs because honey is a humectant, meaning that it's one of those things that pulls moisture from the air and pulls that moisture into whatever surface the honey has been applied to. So in this case, I put honey on my hair to make sure that my hair is well moisturized, and honey helps with mitigating frizzy hair, which is definitely a plus. So I'm walking you through A through Z on how I incorporate honey into every phase of my hair care regimen when styling. My LillyPops pop off.
We're starting off by making flaxseed gel. Be sure to click the link in my bio to get the full recipe and get all the temperatures and all of the information that you need, like when you need to take it off the stove, because there are some intricate details. The flaxseed gel is still a bit warm, so I'm adding the honey in, and I let them sit for 10 minutes and cool down a bit with the next ingredient. You guys are probably thinking, I've never seen honey or sweet almond oil put into a flaxseed gel recipe before, and you're completely right. I'm not using flaxseed gel this time for what I would use it for in the past, like styling a slick ponytail or bun or anything under the sun. It's not a styler. I realized that flaxseed gel also serves as an amazing pre-poo treatment. It happened on accident. I used flaxseed gel because I had ran out of my moisturizer, and I realized, oh, this gives me pre-poo treatment, and I've been using it ever since.
So as you guys can see, I'm finished applying my pre-poo treatment. I'm going to do a few things around the house for 30 minutes while I let this set in and get all good and conditioned for my hair, and then we'll get into our next step. See you guys then. Okay, so I've washed the pre-poo treatment out of my hair after 30 minutes. And guys, my hair is so soft right now, super manageable, like haven't got any knots yet or anything. Let me see if I can find myself a clip or a bobby pin. Okay, so our next step is of course shampoo. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to pick this up, but this brand is the Main Choice, another Black owned natural hair care brand. Just in case you guys don't know, there are a lot of brands out there that are marketed towards naturals that are actually not Black owned, and this is their Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey line. It's great for growth and moisture retention. Retention when it comes to length and moisture is something that I heavily emphasize on this channel, just because a lot of people always think that it's just like, okay, how do I grow my hair, or how do I moisturize my hair? But realistically, it's like, okay, after I grow my hair, how do I keep my inches? And after I moisturize my hair, how do I make sure that I don't have to moisturize like tomorrow morning, like that type of thing. And so this shampoo is great. It has good slip, it lathers well. And another thing that I would say is that the fact that it has honey in it is just everything. I've been using it for about 5 weeks now. It's been going well. Okay, so now my hair is completely cleansed and I'm going for that deep conditioner. I'm going with the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask that has raw honey in it and olive oil. One of the things that I didn't mention before is that honey also has emollient properties, meaning that it does a great job with making sure that your hair has luster to it. So that's that natural shine, and then locking in that shine as well. When I'm reaching for a deep conditioner, of course, I look for conditioning properties, what's going to keep my hair moisturized, but also what's going to give it that look like, okay, yeah, definitely it was just wash day, not a dry look. And this does just that. So I'm about this far in the container. I would say that it stretches pretty well, and I'm just going to go in and evenly apply. I'm just going to put 2 plastic bags on top of my hair to get some natural heat going. I stay away from handheld styling tools and things of that nature. So like no handheld hair dryers, no hooded hair dryers, none of that. I just use the natural heat that starts to form inside of the plastic bags once I put it atop my head, and I'm keeping that for 30 minutes. Okay, so the deep conditioner is rinsed out. My hair feels pretty good, and I'm doubling back to use the main choice again, but this is their rinse out or leave-in conditioner. In case that's a bit confusing, there are a few brands. Another brand that I know of is Melanin Hair Care that have leave-in conditioners that you can elect to use as a regular conditioner when you're washing your hair that you would rinse out, or you can use it as a leave-in that you would use to like moisturize your hair after wash day, then go into your styling. So I thought that that was pretty dope, and you guys see like I'm a good ways into it. I think I'm like right here. I've been using it and it's going well, so I'm just going to go and get a natural quarter size amount. This is actually pretty good for naturals because you know how we get. So just going to go. Guys, my hair is so soft and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. And notice I'm not really raking it through.
So guys, after my wash days, I typically just like to do flat twists. It's a great way to give my hair a break for a little while. And then throughout the course of the week, I'll take the flat twists out little by little, try different styles. So these are just a few styles that I did afterwards. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Pop off.